Hello beginner DJs, if you've just completed your DJ course and if you finally learned how to DJ, it's time for you to get yourself an identity, and that is your DJ name. That's right. So in today's video, we're going to learn how to choose your DJ name in 2021 and also make sure it's relevant for the years to come. Let's go. What is good, you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep and this is where I do a lot of DJing and tech related tutorials, tips and tricks to help you become a better DJ and to help you get better at using technology. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Talking about subscribing, YouTube tells me that only 20% of my viewers have subscribed to my YouTube channel. So I request you guys, if you have not subscribed and if you're watching this content and if you like it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have already subscribed, please comment in the comment section below and tell me that you are a subscriber. I will reply back to you. So let's talk about DJ names. Your DJ name will be your identity, and that is how people will know you and remember you. So choosing your DJ name will definitely be one of the most important decisions that you will make. So today I'm here to help you choose that right DJ name for you. So first I'm going to tell you a few things that you should consider while choosing your DJ name, and then I will tell you how to come up with your DJ name. So first, things to consider. Number one is make your DJ name easy to spell and easy to remember. If you want people to remember you, you will have to make sure that your DJ name is simple, easy to remember, and also very easy to spell. Because if people come to your gig and if they love your music, they will definitely go back home and search for you online on Instagram or something. So if your name is something that they will hear once and they will remember, you will be in their minds for longer. Think of company names like Google, Yahoo, simple names and very unique at the same time. DJ names like Afrojack, Diplo, Ivan, Hardwell, simple names. So remember to keep your DJ name something very simple, something that they can easily remember and easy to spell. Number two, make it easily searchable online. This is something that you have to consider in 2021. While you keep your name something that is easy to remember, you will also have to make it easily searchable. So always try to come up with a name that will rank number one when you search for it on Google, or at least in the first page when you search for it on Google. For example, if your name is Paul or Anna or Akash, these are simple names, but if you search for them online, you will see that there will be 1,000 other results apart from you, and that is going to make it very difficult for people to search for you because no one wants to scroll 2-3 pages to look for you. So think of that when you're choosing your DJ name. Also make sure that you do not complicate your DJ name. Your DJ name should not consist of numbers and symbols. That will make it very difficult to search. Number three, make it unique. Making your DJ name unique will make sure it is easy for people to search for you on the internet, and it will also make sure that your name is something which stands out. A unique name will also be very easy to remember because people often tend to remember things which are unique and which they don't hear or see very often. Like Skrillex, that is a unique name. Afrojack, that's unique. Diplo, that is unique. So think of names which are unique because that will make sure that your name, when searched online, you will be in the first page of the results. And those are the three things that you need to remember when you choose your DJ name. Now let's talk about how to come up with a DJ name. Tip number one is start by trying your own name, because if you have a very uncommon and unique name, you're already at luck and you can use your own name, and that is not a bad idea. Names like Xander or Ernie are very uncommon and that can be a great name. For example, Oliver Heldens, Dylan Francis, Alan Walker, these are actually the real names of these DJs, and since they're unique and easy to remember, these are their DJ names. So try choosing your own name first. If it's unique enough, it is good enough. But if you think that your name is not cool as it is, or if it is not very uncommon or unique, try looking at your nicknames, because a lot of times your nicknames can be something unique and uncommon. But if you think your name is very common and your nickname is something silly, you can now try to manipulate your own name. For example, Axel became Axwell, or Alessandro became Alesso, or Ravi became Ravish. These people made it simple, easy to remember, and unique at the same time. But if none of these ideas work, try adding 2 words instead of 1. For example, Martin That is easy but not unique. So he added Garrix. That became Martin Garrix. David, very simple. David Guerra, unique. Calvin, simple. Calvin Harris, unique. Carl, easy. Carl Cox, unique. So if you think that one word is not making it unique and stand out, you can use two words. The Bhamra. But if you don't want to use your name at all, you can actually come up with a unique word altogether, and that can become your DJ name. Examples like Tiesto, that's not a word, but that is a new word. Afrojack, that is a new word. Skrillex, that is uncommon and a new word. It doesn't have to be a word which is already existing. You can create your own word, and that can be your DJ name. But if you're not good at creating new words using your own brain, then you can actually use two common words and join them to make one unique word, like chain, smokers, chain smokers. Yellow claw, yellow claw. Cat, dealers, cat dealers. Knife, party, knife party. These are common words, but if you combine them together, that can make it unique, and that can make sure it stands out when people search for you. Two words which are not common together but used together can make it very unique. Now let's talk about if you should add the word DJ in front of your DJ name. Let me tell you that in 2020, the top 20 DJs or the top 40 DJs do not have the word DJ in front of their name. Afrojack, Hardwell, Carl Cox, none of these people actually use the word DJ in front of their DJ name. And the main reason behind that is because they are also producers. And if people want them to remember as an artist who is not just a DJ but also a producer, then they will not add the word DJ. But if you're just a DJ and if you want to be known for DJing, then it's absolutely okay to add the word DJ in front of your DJ name. And that is an easy way to start making sure that people, when they hear your DJ name, they also hear the word DJ and they can associate. In smaller countries, in countries where people are not very familiar with the word DJ or the terminology or the career option DJ, you can add the DJ word in front of your name, and that will associate you with your profession. So these are a few different ways that you can use to come up with your DJ name. In my case, my name is Deepraj. That is my first name, but I thought that that name as it is not a very cool DJ name. So I started using the word Deep instead of the whole word Deepraj and started using that as my DJ name, DJ Deep. But that was one of the mistakes that I did, because when I searched for DJ Deep online, there were many other results and there were many other DJ Deeps on the internet. So that is why when I moved to Bangalore and I reboosted my career in Bangalore, I actually added my surname into my name, which is Bhamra, and that made it unique. Deep Bhamra, two words. And when you search for Deep Bhamra on Google, my website, my YouTube channel, my Instagram, my Facebook are all in the first page, and in the first results are my own websites. So that is how you can choose your name, and if you think your name is unique enough, you can actually leave that, and if it is easily searchable and if it is simple and unique at the same time, that can be your DJ name. Now, once you come up with your DJ name, try to take feedback about your name. Tell your friends about your DJ name and see how they react to that name. If they think it's cool, or if they think it's too difficult, or if they think it is actually a really good name. That will give you an idea of what people will perceive that name as, and you can actually shape your DJ name to something better by taking feedback from your friends. Okay, one very funny thing that I wanted to point out is when you choose your DJ name, try not to copy someone else's DJ name and add that to your name. Like if you love Martin Garrix, try not to put the word Garrix into your name. Your name may be Alex. Imagine if you call yourself Alex Garrix. That's gonna be so funny, and if you really become a serious DJ, people will always make fun of that by saying that, oh, like Martin Garrix, Alex Garrix. So you will never have your own identity. So try not to add that. You may love deadmau5. Don't add deadmau5 into your name. You may love Alan Walker. Don't add Walker or Alan into your name. Try to stay away from very popular names of other DJs and don't add them into your name. It's just gonna become a troll in the future. Well, there you have it. I hope that this video helps you in coming up with a very unique DJ name for yourself. If you're still having troubles choosing a name, why don't you go ahead and post your real name down in the comment section below and ask people to come up with a DJ name for you. Even I will go ahead and start commenting and giving my suggestions to your real name about what can be your DJ name. So if you're not able to find yourself a DJ name, comment in the comment section below and we, all of us, will try to get you your unique DJ name. Alright, I hope this video was helpful and you guys got to learn something new. If you guys did, please don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends, and while you're at it, it'll be nice if you can click on that subscribe button and also click on that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. That's been it. My name is Deep and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy to help.